You think you know animals? Think again. There are creatures out there that defy everything you thought was true, like a jellyfish that can technically live forever, a frog that breaks its own bones to grow claws. Yeah, you're not ready for this. Fact 1. The immortal jellyfish. Okay, imagine if every time you got old, sick, or injured, you could just hit the reset button and become young again. Sounds like something out of a superhero movie, right? Well, for one tiny jellyfish, it's just another Tuesday. Meet Turritopsis dawni, also known as the immortal jellyfish. This little guy has cracked the code to eternal youth. Instead of dying like every other living thing, it transforms itself back into a baby whenever it's in danger. Scientists call it transdifferentiation, but let's be real, it's basically reincarnation on demand. So technically, unless something physically eats it, this jellyfish never dies. It could be swimming around since the age of dinosaurs for all we know. And now I have to ask, why are we, the so-called intelligent species, still aging like suck? Fact 2. Frogs with Wolverine claws. If you thought frogs were harmless little hoppers, you clearly haven't met Trichobatrachus robustus, aka the hairy frog. This thing looks weird enough with tufts of hair-like structures on its body, but the real nightmare begins when it feels threatened, because instead of running away, it breaks its own bones and stabs its enemies with retractable claws. Yeah, you heard that right. This frog snaps its own toe bones, pushes them through its skin, and attacks. That's some real Wolverine-level insanity. And the worst part? Scientists aren't even sure how it pulls the claws back in. They think the bones just stay inside until the frog heals. So, next time you see a frog and think, oh, cute, just remember, some of them are self-stabbing, bone-breaking warriors. Fact 3. Octopuses can edit their own DNA. Octopuses are already mind-blowing. They can solve puzzles, open jars from the inside, and even escape from aquariums like underwater Houdinis. But here's something even crazier. They can rewrite their own genetic code. Humans? We're stuck with whatever DNA we're born with. But octopuses? They're out here hacking their own biology like real-life mutants. Instead of relying on evolution, they edit their RNA to adapt to different environments, kind of like updating a software program. This means they can change their brain function and even adjust how their bodies work on the fly. Some scientists believe this is why they're so intelligent. Basically, they're living proof that nature lets you cheat the system if you're smart enough. So, if you ever wondered why octopuses seem too clever for their own good, it's because they literally reprogram themselves to be smart.